ATF, a world-class law enforcement organization committed to safeguarding lives by protecting the public from violent crime. We do this by combating violent crime through focusing on illegal firearms trafficking, dismantling violent street gangs, regulating the firearms and explosives industries, solving crimes involving arson and explosives, breaking up tobacco trafficking schemes, and providing worldwide support to law enforcement, public safety, and industry partners. Our focus is reducing violent crime in America. Illegal firearms are the tools of the trade that drug traffickers, gang members, and other criminals use to commit violent crimes in our nation's cities and towns. ATF special agents identify, investigate, and arrest individuals and organizations that illegally supply firearms to individuals who cannot legally possess them. More than 90% of ATF's investigations involve firearms-related charges. Through innovative enforcement strategies, targeted use of technology, and risk-based inspections of federal firearms licensees, ATF deters the diversion of firearms to illegal markets and prohibited persons. ATF also works with the firearms industry, providing compliance guidance and ensuring industry-wide adherence to laws and regulations ATF administers. ATF also partners with state and local law enforcement to reduce gun crime through an intelligence-driven approach. By analyzing firearms-related intelligence gathered in ATF's crime gun intelligence centers, we can identify the locations and opportunities of firearms traffickers and trigger pullers responsible for the most significant firearms-related violent crime. ATF also works hand-in-hand with local and state law enforcement in training, information sharing, and tip-of-the-spear techniques to keep neighborhoods safe. ATF leverages technology to combat violent crime. Firearms recovered at crime scenes from across the country can be traced to the first retail purchaser by our National Tracing Center, providing leads for investigation. Additionally, the National Integrated Ballistics Information Network, or NIBIN, facilitates sharing crime gun evidence across federal, state, local, tribal, and international law enforcement agencies to establish otherwise unknown links between violent crimes, solving crimes, and preventing others. The NIBIN database has 2.5 million images of ballistic evidence and grows daily. To combat illegal firearms trafficking facilitated by the Internet, ATF established the Internet Investigation Center. A highly skilled and specialized team identifies illegal firearms trafficking occurring online and provides actionable intelligence to relevant ATF field divisions for investigation. Industry operations investigators conduct inspections of the firearms and explosives industry. They determine if applicants who want to enter business in the regulated industries meet established legal requirements for obtaining a federal permit or license. They conduct interviews, inspect premises and inventory, and perform background investigations to determine applicant and licensee suitability. IOIs support ATF's law enforcement mission by identifying suspicious firearms purchasing patterns and detecting illegal firearms trafficking. ATF also has a number of outstanding programs and services that support our critical mission. The Special Response Team is a group of highly trained tactical agents who perform high-risk law enforcement operations. Certified fire investigators, accelerant and explosives detection canines, and forensic auditors provide a comprehensive team of experts for investigating and solving arsons. The Fire Research Laboratory can recreate significant fire-related events to determine how fires begin and spread. The lab also houses fire protection engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and technicians, and provides the necessary facilities, equipment, and staff to work on and research criminal fire investigations. Our forensic chemists and investigative auditors provide crucial support by processing evidence, conducting audits in criminal investigations, and testifying in court as expert witnesses. ATF's National Response Team can respond to fire or explosives incidents within 24 hours. 3 teams positioned across the country can assist state and local partners with origin and cause determination and provide investigative and logistical support. Preventing the criminal use of explosives is one of the core missions of ATF. The National Center for Explosives Training and Research serves as the Bureau's focal point for explosives research, training, and intelligence to safeguard the public and reduce deaths and injuries from explosives, crimes, and accidents. The center specializes in the areas of explosives investigation and identification, materials disposal, destruction device classification, and the application and effects of explosives products. Certified explosive specialists are ATF's primary resource in explosives-related matters. CESs are special agents who are highly trained in explosives investigations, explosives materials disposal, and all facets of the commercial explosives industry. They conduct investigations into violations of the federal explosives laws and support the efforts of ATF, state, and local investigators. The United States Bomb Data Center is a nationwide repository for information about suspicious fires, arsons, and criminal explosives incidents. Law enforcement from around the world can tap into this valuable resource. Supporting these programs and our employees in the field are a steadfast group of administrative and professional staff who ensure the men and women of ATF have what they need to carry out our mission across the country. We value people, partnerships, and justice. We are ATF, protecting the public, serving our nation.